So guys, here comes another problem with Arduino Uno, and I had recently find a fix. It 90% fix, generally 90% fixes your problem. So you can see there are several types of Arduino boards here. This is one type. These are all the clones, not the authenticate one, Indian clone. You can see actually this board is faulty. This board is okay. I had written with marker pen, IC is okay, but there are some hidden problem in this board. It is also Italian copy or clone. You can identify this from the pattern or the circuit. You can see here lots of rust and dirt. Generally original one don't get rusted easily. This board is quite 2 to 3 years old, but recently I am facing a problem with this board is that in Arduino Uno coding you can see the board has been recognized, but my problem is that if I try to upload the code, the upload will be failed. It will show request timeout. So you can see this type of error is getting generated. So first we have to do, go to device manager, then go to ports. You can see Arduino Uno Common 7. Then everything is showing this device is working properly, but still our code is not getting uploaded. So we have to go to port setting and restore to default and click OK. We may require and close all the tabs or restart the Arduino. We may require to do this thing several times until our code get fixed. Device get fixed. So you can see everything is working quite fine. Arduino Uno in board selected. Get board info, it is fine. Now let's try to upload the code.